Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to play Counter-Strike 2 on Mac. Start by choosing a method: Boot Camp for native Windows performance, virtualization for convenience, or compatibility layers for simplicity. Check your Mac model, free disk space, and GPU capabilities before proceeding. Back up important files, allocate enough storage, and prepare a Windows or Steam image. I will walk you step by step through setup, optimization, and control mapping for smooth play. In this video, I will show how to play Counter-Strike 2 on Mac. To get started, decide between Boot Camp for top performance, Parallels for quick switching, or a compatibility layer for minimal setup. For Boot Camp, you need a Windows license and plenty of disk space. For Parallels, ensure virtualization support. For compatibility tools, confirm Steam compatibility. I will explain installation steps, driver setup, and how to test in-game settings for the best balance of visuals and responsiveness. In this video, I will show how to play Counter-Strike 2 on Mac. After installation, tweak in-game settings, reduce resolution or textures if needed, cap frame rates to stabilize performance, and enable performance mode in Mac OS or your VM. Map controls to your preferred layout and test sensitivity with aim trainers. Update GPU drivers where possible and check for game patches. I will guide you through useful launch options and troubleshooting common issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.